Good morning, Matthew. I hope you had a really good night's sleep and that you are ready to begin working on goals 6 and 7. So today, Matthew, we're going to continue working on goal number 6. And goal number 6 is talking about you choosing your favorite top 3 department stores. So this is going to be the last time we work on this goal. You will be getting new goals for next week. So to end this goal, we have been talking about H-E-B, Walmart, and Hibbett Sports. So now I want to know which store is your favorite. Which store is the one you are most interested in? So this is going to be the worksheet for today. It is goal number 6 worksheet, and here are the questions. If you do not have this worksheet, just write the question and the answer in a regular sheet of paper. All I want to know is, which store does your family go to? Which one is the one you're most familiar with? Question number 2. What store is your favorite? Which one do you like most and why? And then the last question is, which store would you like to work in and why? Which one is the one that you're most interested? Which one is the one that you would like to work at if you would ever be interested in working at a store? Which one is the one that gets your attention? Which one's the one that interests you the most? And I want you to answer these questions so I can know what you prefer. Once you are done with these 3 questions, take a picture of it so you can submit it into Teams. That way I can read your responses. I am very, very curious and would love to know if you would like to work at these stores, and if so, which one would you want to? So now for our goal number 7 activity, we're going to be doing following picture recipes. So this is also going to be the last time we work on this goal, and this is the worksheet for today. We're going to be learning how to make a pumpkin pie. So we just passed Thanksgiving and Christmas is around the corner, and pumpkin pie is very popular around this time, Matthew. So let's read a little bit and answer some questions on how to make pumpkin pie, because I don't even know how to make pumpkin pie. So here it says pumpkin pie. So let's read the ingredients first. It says a can of pureed pumpkin, 16 ounce, 1 can of evaporated milk, 12 ounce, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 pre-made pie crust, and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. And now the directions. It says, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a large bowl, combine pumpkin, evaporated milk, eggs, sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. Stir until well blended. 3. Pour mixture into a pre-made pie crust. Place a baking sheet under the pie pan to keep it from spilling in the oven. 4. Bake for 15 minutes. Reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 45 minutes. 5. Let pie cool completely before eating. So now I will be answering I will be answering 2 questions with you, and you can answer the rest on your own, Matthew. Just write the answers in a regular sheet of paper if you do not have the if you do not have this specific worksheet. So number 1, what is the title of this recipe? So if we go to the top, what is the title, Matthew? What are we baking? Yes, good job. Pumpkin pie. Okay. Pumpkin pie. And then number 2 says, how many ingredients are in this recipe? So now we're going to look over here, and here I said that these were our ingredients and these were our directions. So let's count how many ingredients we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many ingredients are there? Yes, good job. 6 ingredients. Awesome job, Matthew. So now answer the rest of the questions on your own. If you have any questions or any trouble at all, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Salinas. We are always here to help, Matthew. And if you do not need help, once you are done with both assignments, don't forget to take a picture of it and submit it into Teams. I hope you have a good rest of your day and that you have a wonderful, restful weekend. And I will see you back here on Monday. Bye.